Hi everyone, so today I'll be trying out Spellbinders' new Betterpress of the Month and Wax Seal Month for June of 2024. I was going to say 2023. I did a whole unboxing of all the other club kits, including the Wax Seal, but at the time I didn't have the Betterpress yet, so today is the day I'll be trying it out for you. These items were sent free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links down in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. So thank you for using those if you would like. You know, the Betterpress and the Wax Seal are always a great combo together, so we're going to try those out. You can pick them up a la carte, of course. You can pick them up in the Deluxe Caboodle, and Deluxe Caboodle every month comes with a bonus item and sometimes 2 bonus items, you know, it just depends, and something fun every month. So I've already shown you guys all that stuff, so I'll link that video in the description box, and today we're going to concentrate on these two. And I'm going to just use the Betterpress for this guy. You can definitely put these into your glimmer system if you like a hot foil look, or if that's what you have and you don't have the Betterpress, let's say, but you do get the Deluxe Caboodle and you have this guy, you can pop this into your glimmer. Okay, so what I'm going to do, what I'm thinking is just like a green background with different greens maybe for these palm leaves, which is very, very lovely. I mean, that's a big die there. Oh, you know what? I don't have my ruler here. You know why? Because I've been making friendship bracelets and I've been measuring things over there at my couch. So let's use this one. Okay, there we go. I was going to say, this ruler's always so hard for me because yeah, so it's 5 5/8 tall, I would say. So it's probably just over 4 1/4 to, yeah, it's like 4, almost 4 1/2, a little shy of that in the other direction. So you can really get nice matte layering there. And then it has 2 sentiments and the dies. So I know in the unboxing video I mentioned that it was a nice big plate, but I didn't realize they had these sentiments. So sending a sunny hello, wishing you a relaxing birthday, and it has the dies to cut those out too, so that's really nice. And then we have our wax seal again with the little sun and waves, which is very cute, and then this beautiful wax bead mix, the teal mix, gorgeous. So I'm probably going to do a little die cutting. I don't think I'm going to cut out the sentiment because I want it to be like a larger plate and then put our little wax seal on there. So I think I'm going to use the fresh picked tags from the new sealed, the 3D botanical collection. So we'll get to that in just a minute. But to begin, I'm going to grab a card base, grab some paper for this portion, and we'll go from there. I'll be right back. You know, I went ahead and made my own card base. I thought this would be really cute with this pattern paper. It does have a white core, so, or white side. So if you're making your own, that would be 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4, of course, if you're doing A2. I have this pearlescent paper I'm going to cut down to 5 3/8. Sorry, I was almost going to do 5 1/8. 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. That's the matte layer I like. You can do the whole, you know, 5.5 by 4 1/4, then trim it down after you do your pressing, or just keep it because some people like that whole matte layer, but I'm doing 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. And let's see here. I don't know that I've used pearlescent paper with archival ink before, so we will see. Hopefully that'll hold. Let's see here. Oh. With glimmering, for sure, you can use pearlescent paper. It just holds it and it looks really great. I just wanted something a little different in the background, so that's what we're doing. And then, you know, I didn't grab my green inks, but I don't know how many green inks I actually have. As far as Betterpress ink, you can use whatever ink that sticks to your plates that you feel like it would do good, well. I have a little peridot, a little leaf. Let me dig through here and see if I have anything else that's a shade of green, but any archival inks that you have in your stash would be great too. I'll be right back. That's crazy. I do have teal topaz. Maybe we'll use a little bit of that. We'll see. Let me bring this over. Yeah, I have tons of blues, which means Spellbinders put out tons of blues, but only 2 greens, really. Okay, so this can be placed on here, however, because I can just turn the card one way or the other when I'm happy, but I'm just going to just place that there. And this guy, let's get this guy going. Just center it here as well as I can. Oh, and I guess that's one thing. If I turn it this way, this corner is not going to touch anything, so let's go ahead and put that there. And that probably means this opposite corner is not going to touch. I just need something to hold it down. Yeah. Yep, that should be okay, I think. I'm just making sure we're making contact everywhere. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay. So, maybe, let's start with the lighter peridot color. I'm just going to kind of add some color here. I don't know. Just kind of pop that in there. And then maybe the green, the darker green, can go like in here to like over here. And I'm just kind of swirling it as I'm going just to make it more organic. Just making sure though that you have color everywhere. Alright, so in there, that looks good. It looks like there's some here, that's great. And then maybe this teal color up at the tips here. Just a little bit. That looks really pretty. Okay, and we're just going to run this through. I will run through my Lilac Shimmer Platinum 6, you guys. These are almost on their way with the pre-order and everything, so not too much longer now. And I always keep the 3 shims that the Betterpress came with are under my magnetic mat there. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna do this section again. It's very light. Let's not move this guy. And the rest of it's fine. That actually looks really cool. It's just like a whisper of thing here. So let me put that back. And let's do it one more time. Again, I haven't tried this kind of ink on this kind of paper, so you really want it to be very juicy. Look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, I'll be back. So for our sentiment, let's do this Sending a Sunny Hello, and I have this whole batch of fresh picked dies here with me, and you know, you have this little last set that's like a tag with this piece, but I think I wanted, well, actually, what I'm gonna do, I was thinking, is just cut 2 of these, one from that same black and white pattern paper, so just cut that out and then trim this way once I have my sentiment with the same one, so it'll be like 2 little tags that are the same size and together there. So let me just open this up. We got that guy. I'll put that over here with our card, and I just have a scrap of white paper here that I hope that I'll get right where I need that to be so I can cut my tag, and I'm just going to stick that down. And let's just kind of make sure, hopefully that'll be maybe a little higher up. Okay. And let's do some black ink, or I mean you can make it more playful. I just wanted to go with black so that it echoes the little black dots there. So let me grab that. Ooh, teal will be really pretty too. Bring that back up also. Okay, Betterpress black. Just really ink that up. Right, ready to go. And I'll just run this guy through. Then we'll make our wax seal. It's been a while since I made the wax seal right on my project. With this one, it's going to be layered up, the tag, so I probably will make it off and then, you know, make it off site there and then add it onto the project. So we have that, and just gorgeous. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so now that I have these pieces, I'm just going to cut this guy out. Again, we could do a little layering with this guy. Do I want to cut it that way? Yeah, I think I'm going to cut it like this. So I'll tape that down so it doesn't move. Wherever it is that I centered that at. I think that's really cute right there. Oh, you know what? That has red ink, so I don't want to get that on my tag. I'll cut that one out, and then I'll use that same die and cut out another tag from here. And let's go ahead and just glue this guy down to our card base. Pearlescent paper is kind of a delicate paper too, so if you're using water-based glue, just don't put too much because you don't want it to warp your paper in any way. Just turn it over to give it a really good push. Again, I don't know if the ink takes a while to set up on pearlescent paper. It looks like it's pretty good. Okay, I will be right back, guys. I just have my card flattening out over here. Okay, so I hope to do something like that, and then our little what's that called? Our wax seal. So let me think, do I want it like this? That wax seal. I think that'd be cute. Okay. And then I just grabbed some twine. I have this one, it's like a bright green. Why not? And we're just gonna stick those guys together. Oh my gosh. Does that happen to you sometimes where you can't even pick things up even with your nails? Happens often. I think I'll put a bow. Probably cut a little too much of this, but that's alright. Let's get that on there. And a bow. How large is that? I'll bring it in. There we go, something like that. I think that's cute. We can arrange that differently. And I'm gluing them down flat just because I am going to put the wax seal too, so. Sending a sunny hello right there. Alright, let me grab my stuff for the wax seal and I'll be right back. Put that to the side. And let's go ahead and make this guy. Hopefully that's enough candle there for that. And my little spoon. And a gold metallic marker. Let's get this guy ready before I light it. And this one I always open it very carefully for my pictures. Oh, that did not work for me this time. But it does have a resealable pouch. And Spellbinders also has this cute little case that you can put together your different like wax heads or your beads. Really cute. I'm just going to put a few. Let's do 5. Just one gold one. And I usually have this way. I don't know why that felt backwards to me. It's obviously front and back, doesn't matter, but I like this little guy. I always like to pick up lighters here and there for my crafting purposes. So there's one from Las Vegas not too long ago that we went. And let's put that there. Alright, I'm going to let that heat up and I'll be back. You want this stuff really melted down. You don't, that little cap right there, that's not great. So I'm going to really make sure it's super melted. I placed it on here. I didn't even think about it. I did place it so it's like the minty color, like the turquoisey kind of teal color. And then like in a swirl, because that'll help it pour in a nicer way instead of having like a big clump of just the one color. And you can definitely swirl it while it's in here. I'm wondering why there's like that little cap of color there. Like I said, you want it real melty. I think it's because this candle is pretty low. So I'm going to get this a little bit closer. Just to try to get that last bit of heat from that candle. I don't think it's getting any more heat, so that's a bummer. Let's put that to the side and let's try and pour this and hopefully we'll get a good impression. And I kind of put it in a circular fashion because it is a circular seal. Get that out of there. It's already setting up, so yeah. Let's pop this on here. However, try to get a nice round area around the whole thing. That looks good. And if you're going to continue working, then just put in your new beads, keep going. But if you're not, you're going to definitely want to wipe that out. And I usually wipe it out while it's still warm. I'm very, look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. I'm very careful about it, but it's just the easiest way to clean it out is when it's still warm, right? And just keep wiping it. I'll just like get another area and wipe it out. And the other one's set up there. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let that set up. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Cute. Oh, that's perfect. Hopefully you can see that. So we're gonna make that pop by coming in with a metallic marker, and just on the very side of it, you're going to go over the raised areas of your wax seal. I know it's hard to see on this one, but if you just kind of keep it flat, you'll get that little wave and sun to appear, and it has a little ring around the edge, so just kind of follow that ring too. And again, we're not using the tip, because if you use the tip you'll end up kind of poking into your design where you don't want it. You're just trying to get those raised elements highlighted, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am done with that. Of course we'll let it dry. It is an alcohol ink marker, it shouldn't take too long to dry. But then I will pop this on here, and that is just like a perfect complement to everything that's going on in the background. Very cool. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am just going to stick this down with whatever glue you like that will help you stick plasticky things to paper, or Spellbinders has some little circles that are already made for you that are double-sided that you stick them down with, and I'm just going to place that right there. Get some pressure on that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so there's our super tropical card. I love the black with the white dots. I think that's really sweet. I feel like if I go to Hawaii and things, I wear a lot of dots. I don't know. On the beach there. So I like the way that paired up together, and it came out really well. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have images come up. I'll have the links in the description box, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.